In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello, my students. How are you doing? I hope that you have a wonderful time. So, today's lecture is about comparative and superlative adjectives. First of all, you have to know what we are going to talk about. Instructions, main objectives, behavior goals, and the 3 types of adjectives, and finally, the homework. So this is the instructions. You can take a look. After that, we have the main objectives of this lecture, which is to define comparative and superlative adjectives and to know how to apply the rules for short, long, and irregular adjectives, which is the 3 types of adjectives for the lecture today. And also we have the behavioral goals of this lecture, to know how to differentiate between short and long adjectives based on syllables. So, can you see these 3 apples? Which one is the biggest? So your answer here will determine what is the lecture is about for today. This is the answers. The green apple is big, while the yellow apple is bigger. But the red apple is biggest. Okay? As I've mentioned previously that we have 3 types, which is short, long, and irregular. Let's explain them one by one. Scan this QR in order to see the list of common short adjectives. The short adjectives rule, we have here a rule for comparative and superlative adjectives. We have subject, verb with ER or then, and object with comparative. For example, the plan is faster than train. While superlative, we have subject, verb, and then the plus adjective with est plus noun. For example, the cheetah is the fastest animal. I want you, from these 2 pictures, the sun and the earth, okay, use the comparative by using the adjective big. You have 1 minute to give me a sentence. So this is the sentence. The sun is bigger than the earth. We made this sentence depending on the rule of comparative. Here, another exercise. Depending on superlative rule, you can make a sentence by using the adjective heavy. You have here cat, bird, and an elephant. So this is the sentence. The elephant is the heaviest animal in the forest. You can scan this QR in order to see the long adjectives. The long adjectives rule also we have comparative and superlative. For comparative, we have more plus adjective plus than. For example, gold is more expensive than silver. Superlative, we have the, after the, we have most plus adjective. For example, health is the most important thing in life. So here we have the and most. Depending on the rule of comparative, use the adjective expensive. Expensive. By using these 2 phones, we have Nokia and iPhone. This is the sentence. The iPhone is more expensive than the old phone. Here, another exercise to superlatives. Use the adjective beautiful by using these 3 flowers. Okay, a black rose, a red rose, a white rose. This is the sentence. The red rose is the most beautiful flower in the garden. So here we have used the, most, and the adjective beautiful. For the third type of adjectives, irregular adjectives. So these adjectives that is not changed by only adding er or more or est or most. Okay, so it is changed. Good became, in comparatives, better. In superlatives, the best. Okay, and so on. You can take a look. Now, this is a homework for you. Scan for details in order to see a homework. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can write it on the comments below.